My name is Suhany. I'm the program director for the new Astra. With the new Astra, we gained a complete new level of efficiency. We did rework the complete technique of the vehicle, means we added a complete new portfolio of powertrains, means engine and transmissions into the vehicle. We are now coming all with 3-cylinder engines. We are all very lightweight from an engine perspective. The fuel consumption went down as little as 99 grams for the best performing manual version of the gasoline, and even as low as 90 grams of CO2 for the best performing diesel manual shifting, which is fantastic. In addition, we are offering 2 new transmissions. We are coming with the stepless automatic transmission on the gasoline, the 1.4 liter. And we are having the 9-speed automatic transmission on the diesel engine that we are offering with 122 horsepower. The gasolines have ranged from 110 up to 145 horsepower. In order to further improve the efficiency of the vehicle, we did also rework the completely aerodynamic of the vehicle. Astra, already at the launch of the vehicle in 2015, was very competitive related to CO2 numbers. Now our engineers went into the wind tunnel, even further improved it, and now we are getting aero-efficient coefficients as low as 0.26 for the hatchback 5 and even as low as 0.255 for the sports tourer. This makes the sports tourer not only being the most aerodynamic vehicle in its segment, it is the most aerodynamic station wagon in the entire industry, which I'm very proud of. In addition, we went through a couple of components. We changed on the lighting technology for reduced CO2. We also went into brake systems for CO2. All in all, the new Opel Astra gained a CO2 reduction by up to 21% compared to the already very efficient previous model that we had with the Opel Astra.